Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the wonderful world of design and creativity. I'm Kawa, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss: selecting the best product for your design on Zazzle and how to create stunning designs that shine on this platform. Before we dive into the creative process, let's talk about the importance of selecting the perfect product for your design on Zazzle. With an overwhelming range of options available, finding the right fit can make all the difference. Zazzle has a wide variety of products like cards, mugs, wrapping paper, tags, and the list goes on. Like this one, it is a pretty simplistic card that anyone can create with minimal efforts. And they are selling it for more than $10. Now let's sign into Zazzle and see, how can we sell our design here? I'm already signed up, so I'll just log into my account. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook, or Apple account. After signing in, you will see the Sell button on the left side of your screen. When you open the Sell section, you will see many options, like your store, images, etc. Now scroll down and click on the Create a Product option. The Blank Products option on Zazzle opens up a world of endless possibilities for your creative expression. From apparel to home decor, stationery, and accessories, Zazzle offers an incredible range of products waiting to be transformed by your unique designs. Here, I picked an invitation card to customize. However, to customize this product, we will need elements for our design. And for that, we will use Creative Fabrica. When it comes to finding high-quality design elements, Creative Fabrica is an absolute game changer. It's a treasure trove of creativity, offering a vast collection of fonts, graphics, illustrations, templates, and so much more. And all that for minimal charges. And they also have elements which are free to download. You can get access to all of their elements for just $5 a month. Now we have to select elements that will suit our product idea and theme. With so many options available, it would not be difficult to create many designs. Now, after downloading elements from Creative Fabrica, now we will start creating our design. And for this, I'm using Canva. Here, tap on Create a Design and search for Card Template. I will now import elements downloaded from Creative Fabrica and use them for making an invitation card. But first, we need to know what other creators are uploading so that we can create a competitive design. And for that, we will just search invitation cards on Zazzle. Here you can see a variety of designs and can take inspiration from them. If you are becoming confused and having trouble deciding how an invitation card should look like and what kind of designs sell, now, after getting the grip of competition, we can create our design. Here, I'm going to import a Canva template and then edit it accordingly. I intend to speed up this process since it would otherwise consume a bit amount of time. I am done making the design, and now it's time to download and upload it on Zazzle. Now, in Zazzle, tap on Customize, Design. Now here, just drag and drop your design in the Upload Image section. And you're done, as everything is according to the products. Because we already used a card template from Canva, so there won't be any problem. I would like to mention one more thing. If you want to create fully customizable designs so that customers can write their own name and details on the product, and I would really recommend you to make your designs this way. To do that, you can either import your design without any text, or you can just cover the text with the box like I'm doing here. I generally make designs for Zazzle using Zazzle Editor. Previously, I was just showing how you can create a design using Canva, and Canva is good for creating non-editable designs like covers and plates, etc. When you add text like from text section, customers will be able to change the text as they want. After you are done, tap Done and the design will be published. Customers will be able to customize the design by clicking on Personalize button. Now click on the Sell It button. And then click on the Publish button or Edit Design if you want to change something. Now you will be asked to enter the title of your design, marketplace, and other things. I will upload videos on how to write a good description and add relevant tags, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. That's it for this video. Remember to find the links to Creative Fabrica and Canva in the video description below, so you can start exploring their incredible offering. I'll see you in the next video.